Being a teacher today is really, really hard. I still remember when I first started teaching, it was a promise, a belief that what we do truly matters. We weren't wealthy, but we were appreciated. Children would give us handmade cards, crooked and messy, filled with hearts. And when you saw a child answer a question correctly for the very first time, it felt like pure magic, which can make me feeling happy for a whole day. But that world is slowly fading away. The work I once knew has turned into exhaustion, endless paperwork, and a kind of loneliness that's hard to describe.
Class, today we're going to learn about the importance of water.
So boring.
Class, water is most important component in life. Nowadays, students lack environmental awareness. Much of what they learn is only for the sake of exams. Nowadays, our country is still facing serious water pollution problems. The natural habitats of aquatic life are being disturbed, ponds are covered with green algae, and even naturally clean water sources are becoming acidic. What will happen in the future if the younger generation continues to lack awareness about the science of clean water?
Don't be worrying. Now, we have Splash Quest. Splash Quest is a digital mini-game developed using the Python programming language. It aims to educate and raise children's awareness about water pollution issues through an engaging and interactive gameplay experience. Splash Quest turns environmental learning into an exciting adventure. Using the 3E digital learning model, the game engages students instantly with a fun storyline, vibrant visuals, and action-packed missions. It enhances their understanding as they solve real pollution challenges, think critically, and build digital skills while playing. And it extends learning beyond the screen. Students discuss solutions, connect the game to real life, and take action to protect water. Meanwhile, through the trilogical learning model, students learn on their own, work with friends, and create meaningful products like posters or digital projects. Splash Quest doesn't just teach, it inspires, empowers, and makes learning unforgettable. It is not just a game for leisure, it also helps develop children's critical thinking and fine motor skills. Embark on an exciting adventure across a vibrant mini-map with 4 unique levels and different game modes. Join Little Capybara on a mission to rescue our precious water resources. The world needs your help. Are you ready to make a splash in Splash Quest?
Level 1. Driver Dash Mission Clean Ocean. Use the left and right arrow keys to guide little Capy as he collects trash and cleans up whale spills in the ocean. Keep going until the ocean cleanliness bar is full, restore the sea sparkle and become a true water hero. Level 2. River Guardian. Answer fun, bite-sized questions, and choose the right actions that a true river guardian would take to keep our water clean. Test your knowledge, make smart choices, and prove that you have what it takes to protect our precious rivers. Level 3. Water Detective. Uncover the hidden causes of pond pollution and ace the quiz. Based on the scene, spot the main pollution sources, then answer the questions. Come on, young detective, show your sharp observation and logical thinking to protect our ponds. Level 4. The Holy Rain. Collect the magical rain and use it to water the plants. Restore life to the garden and see your efforts bloom. Every drop counts in saving nature.
So what are you waiting for? Let's try the game. You can download the game using the provided link, or for a faster option, simply scan the QR code to access the game folder instantly. Early birds get a special reward, don't miss out.